Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Hot Went Facts, where we explore the fascinating world of wildlife. Today, we're delving into a topic that many of you have been asking about, the lifespan of red kites. The red kite is a truly magnificent and awe-inspiring bird species, predominantly found in the vast regions of Europe and Asia. Known for their captivating aerial acrobatics and extraordinary, distinguishable croaking calls, these raptors are indeed worthy of admiration and wonder. However, readers, there is a nagging concern that comes with knowing about the longevity of these incredible birds. Do they live for a long time or do they not? Unfortunately, there is a dearth of significant information readily available to determine exactly how long red kites tend to live, and if possible, their average life expectancy. Nonetheless, it seems based on the research conducted that they could potentially live anywhere between 15 to 20 years in their wild environments. Importantly, factors such as the habitat quality and their overall health can certainly play a vital role in influencing their average lifespan. So, if you ever happen to spot one of these stunning, beautiful birds perched gracefully on a tree branch or soaring high in the sky, take a moment to appreciate that each one of them is genuinely unique, with its own captivating story to share. As well as enjoying their breathtaking flight, they are also quite sociable, communicating with each other through series of distinctive chirps and calls. Red kites are quite vocal birds and will often respond to disturbances, whether these are other birds in the air or other wildlife in the surrounding areas. It is clear that red kites are very social creatures who rely on the quality of their surroundings and how healthy they are. If their quality of life allows them to thrive, they are capable of living up to 20 years in their natural environments. However, these creatures are often affected by various factors, including habitat fragmentation due to urbanization and deforestation, and the impact of climate change. Climate change can affect their survival, their nesting sites, and their food sources. Ultimately, what we do know is that these incredible birds are remarkably resilient and capable of adapting to various environments. And as we continue to learn more about their behavioral patterns, biology, and habitat preferences, it would be fascinating to see how these birds evolve and adapt to the ever-changing aspects of their world. So, with this in mind, always keep an open eye and heart for your next encounter with one of these mesmerizing creatures. And let your curiosity guide you in appreciating the natural world and its enchanting inhabitants. Thank you immensely for watching this video, and here's to the excitement that awaits in our next one, as we dive deeper into the intriguing world of the extraordinary creatures that share our planet's tapestry of life.